Since the beginning of space exploration in the 1950s, dozens of celestial bodies in the solar system have received a visit from probes. The Sun itself was examined in 1990 by the probe Ulysses, which studied the solar wind, among other things. Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun, was photographed by Mariner 10, but the probe was able to map only 45% of the planet's surface. We know more about Venus, since it has been observed by many probes. The most recent, Magellan, mapped 98% of the surface of Venus, revealing a rather flat relief. Mars, which presents conditions favorable to human settlement, has been the focus of particular attention. A dozen probes have already studied it. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, is also well known. The Pioneer 10 and Pioneer 11 probes, launched in the 1970s, revealed that Jupiter is a gas giant with no solid surface. A few years later, the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 probes photographed the violent storms that stir up its thick atmosphere. Between 1995 and 2003, the Galileo probe took a close look at the moons of Jupiter, particularly Europa. The Pioneer 11 probe and the Voyager probes also observed Saturn. Data from these probes showed that the planet's rings are made up of thousands of small rings. The Voyager 2 probe continued toward Uranus, then Neptune, which it flew by in 1989. Pluto still has not been studied by a probe. The probe New Horizons was launched in 2006. It will start sending data back to Earth in 2015.